Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning section, analogy part. Here first question is capable, clumsy, prudent, question mark. Here given the first group is capable and clumsy. So what is the relation between these two words? See here, capable is the antonym of clumsy. So by same logic, we get prudent is the antonym of indiscreet. So our correct answer is indiscreet. So here given option B, indiscreet. Our next question is hardworking, determined, and happy and question mark. So first group given hardworking and determined. What is the relation between these two words? You see here, determined is the synonym of hardworking. Determined is the synonym of hardworking. That is, determined is similar to hardworking. So by same logic, we get upbeat is the synonym of happy. Upbeat is similar to happy. So our correct answer is upbeat. So here given option C, upbeat. Our next question is fair, unbiased, confused, question mark. So in the first group given fair and unbiased. What is the relation between these two, fair and unbiased? So unbiased is the synonym of fair. That is, fair is a similar word of unbiased. So by same logic, deceive is synonym of confused. So deceive is similar to confused. So our correct answer is deceive. Here given option D, deceive. Our next question is assume, consider, execute, excusite, question mark, excusite, question mark. So first group, assume, consider. So what is the relation between these two, assume and consider? So assume is similar to consider. That is, consider is a synonym of assume. So what is the synonym of excusite? Excusite is similar to Lucius. So Lucius is synonym of excusite. So our correct answer is Lucius. Here given option A, Lucius. Our next question is good, ample, droll, question mark. See the first group, good and ample. What is the relation between these two, good and ample? See, good is synonym of ample. That is, ample is similar word of good. By same logic, droll is synonym of humorous. So humorous is the correct answer. Here given option C, humorous. Option C.